is Miss Stephanie Rivers. Come Miss Stephanie Rivers, give her a hand clap. She is our premier sponsor of TCB Drones, and she has a quick presentation. She's going to tell you who she is, and what she does, and what she has done for our program.
All right. How's everyone? So I want to say thank you as well for being here, and I apologize. I wanted my team to be here, but we were unable to be here. But in spirit, they are here. Again, I'm Stephanie Rivers, and I'm the proprietor of TCB Drones. We're a drone company. I don't know how much you know about drones, but when you are preparing young ladies like these ladies here for their future, you want to look at what is it that is going to be prevalent, what's going on for the next 20, 30 years out. What can we get them involved in? So when I first met Miss Lauren Scott a couple of years ago at an event, and I learned what she was doing, I just wanted to support her. And at the time, sometimes your heart and your wallet are not in the same place. So I always remember that if I'm ever in a position to help financially, because it's always great to give well wishes, but it takes more than well wishes to make things happen. So my company is I'm the proprietor of TCB Drones, the first woman to own a drone company in utility line inspections, aerial building inspections, search and rescue missions. And so if you are ever in a position where you have a missing family member and you want a drone to help you to fly over the area to help do a search and rescue mission, we are available for that free of charge. And so just keep that in mind, TCBDrones.com. But most recently, my company was awarded a grant, and to give back to the community, I have chosen Fly Girls to receive a part of that grant. So I want to do the presentation with Miss Lauren and the young ladies right now. Drones, we want to present Fly Girls Academy and Miss Lauren Scott with a $1,000 donation. Thanks so much, and Merry Christmas to you and to the young ladies. I just appreciate what Lauren is doing with building self-esteem and their character and their presentation skills. It just means a whole lot. I see myself in these young ladies. I really do.